DGPS surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, play a crucial role in the field of land surveying. With the advancements in technology, DGPS, Global Positioning System, has become an integral tool for accurate and efficient surveying. Udyog Vihar, located in the bustling city of Gurgaon, is home to numerous industries and commercial establishments. It is essential for these businesses to have precise measurements and data about their land and properties. This is where DGP surveyors come into the picture. DGPS surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon use state-of-the-art equipment and technologies to carry out their work. They rely on onDGPSreceivers to determine the exact coordinates of various points on the land being surveyed. These receivers receive signals from multiple satellites and use trilateration techniques to calculate the precise location. This allows surveyors to accurately map out boundaries, topography, and other important features of the land. In addition to land surveying, DGP's technology also plays a vital role in construction projects in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. Construction companies use DGP surveyors to determine the best locations for buildings, roads, and other infrastructure. By using DGP's data, these surveyors can ensure that the construction is done with precision and accuracy. One prominent company in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, that specializes in DGP surveying is SCON Design. SCON Design is known for its expertise in providing accurate and reliable surveying services using DGP's technology. They have a team of skilled surveyors who are well-versed in using DGP's equipment and software. With their expertise and the use of advanced DGP's technology, they provide accurate measurements and data that are essential for various industries. SCON Design is a renowned company in Udyog Vihar that specializes in DGP surveying and offers a range of services to meet the needs of businesses in the area. In the field of land surveying, DGP surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, are essential. Global Positioning System, DGPS, technology has advanced to the point where it is now a necessary instrument for precise and effective surveying. Numerous businesses and industries may be found in the thriving city of Gurgaon, which is home to Udyog Vihar. Accurate measurements and information about the land and properties owned by these companies are crucial. DGP surveyors come into play in this situation. Modern tools and technology are used by DGP surveyors to complete their task in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. They use DGPSreceivers to pinpoint the precise coordinates of different spots on the property being surveyed. In order to determine the exact location, these receivers trilaterate signals from various satellites. As a result, boundaries, topography, and other significant land features may be precisely mapped by surveyors. Construction projects in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, also heavily rely on DGP's technology in addition to land surveys. The ideal places for structures, roads, and other infrastructure are chosen by construction corporations using DGP surveyors. These surveyors are able to guarantee